boleh tak tiba-tiba?
Okay. Untuk eyeliner scarf ni kita ada dua jenis. Okay, satu is the journey scarf. Okay, and this one is, kalau if you can see from here, it's stretchy, tak payah gosok, senang sangat nak pakai. And tudung ni memang kita boleh letak je kat tepi our laptop, you know. And then if you have to go online with the team and you have to look presentable still, this scarf is of course the easiest and fastest to wear. And we have two types. One is the journey scarf, which is this one, and also another type is the jet setter. That one is the yang ada rib line sikit. Kalau tak pasti, boleh ke website kami untuk lihat semua jenis semi-instant scarf yang kita ada. Don't worry, because all our delivery will be sent out twice a week, so there is no issue in terms of getting your things online, because we will sort that out for you. Jadi untuk all of you who really need to wear all this tudung yang eyeless ni, memang sesuai sangat bila time kita kena duduk rumah dan you need to have meetings with the team online. Okay, so this is to me it's really a lifesaver for me, and I'm sure for every one of you who are working from home right now. Okay, so I hope these two scarves will ease on how we work from home these days. Even though you work from home, sometimes it's good also to dress up once in a while. Not dress up to the like how you go out, but it's good to still look presentable with all the nice tudung when we go out, because it will also, you know, it will help to boost your confidence when you're working from home. And alright, I think that's all for our tutorial today. Stay safe and take care of your health and everyone else around you. Bye!